send the picture, no? I'll correct for you and send you back. So today it is again the new life on the farm only. It is next workbook page 5. You have very less exercises only in page now. Once we finish page 5, it's finished. Then you have to learn the fill in the blanks and question and answers very well, so that I can give you one worksheet on this lesson. So all of you now, have you kept your books ready, children? So open your workbook page number 5. Yeah, take your pencil. Yes. Now all of you see here. Have you written the jumble letter words? Very easy. Now I told you here there are some jumble letter sentence, jumbled word sentences. Means the words are jumbled. You have to put them in correct order to get a meaningful sentence. This one is a bit difficult, children. You have to find many combinations how it becomes a meaningful sentence. You have to keep the words in different ways so get a meaningful sentence. So let us see what is the here I have written only the answers. I didn't write the question. Let us read the question from the textbook and let us see the answer on the board so that you can copy into your workbook. So what is the first one? And while writing the sentence, one thing you have to always remember is a sentence should start with a capital letter. Start the sentence with a capital letter and put a full stop at the end of the sentence. Once the sentence is finished, you have to put a full stop. These two things are very, very important when you are writing anything. Not only question and answers, whatever you are writing, start always with a capital letter, and at the end of the sentence you have to keep a full stop. That is mentioned up there. Yes. So now let us see. Here it is given, table the bag under is there. What is the meaning of the sentence? Is there any meaning? Does it make sense, children? Table the bag under is there. No. So now you have to arrange the words in such a way that you get a meaningful sentence. Meaning ravala sentence ke. Meaning lekpota how do you know what is it about? So let us see. Table the bag under is there. So what can we write? The bag. The bag is under the table. Does it make sense? Yes. It gives meaning. It means that the bag is under the table. That's it. But table the bag under is there means what? It has no meaning. So like that you have to try all the sentences. Now you have to learn to write like this also. All of you know reading very well now. In your holidays I ask you to improve your reading skills so that now it is very easy for you. So now the bag is under the table. Start with capital letter. T is capital letter. At the end full stop. Should not forget to put the full stop, children. That is the first one. Now let us try the second one. Can anyone do it? First let us read. Drink I to milk light. What does it mean? Drink I milk light. What is it? Does it make any sense? No. So try to make a meaningful sentence. With what you have to start? I. And I is given a small letter. Can we write I? I in small letter? Never. Always should be a capital letter. So let us see. I like to drink milk. Does it give a meaning? Yes. I like to drink milk. That's the answer. So I, capital letter. Always remember you cannot write a small letter for I. When you are talking about yourself, myself, I. And full stop. If there is no full stop, even the sentence is correct, I have to mark wrong. If there is no full stop. So full stop. I like to drink milk. Very good. Now let us try the third one. First let us read it. It's a big sentence. Dad o'clock. What is dad o'clock? Dad o'clock, work goes my 9 to 8. What is the meaning of that sentence? Can you tell me? Does it make sense? No. Dad o'clock, work goes my 9 to 8. What? Try on your own without looking at the board. Try. My dad goes to work at 9 o'clock. Yes. My dad goes to work at 9 o'clock. Now, does it make sense? Is there any meaning for this sentence? Yes. What is the meaning? That my dad goes to work at 9 o'clock. He goes to work at 9 o'clock. So, again remember, you have to start with the capital letter and put a full stop. My dad goes to work at 9 o'clock. You have to keep the words in different combinations. Try in different combinations so that you get the correct answer. First time you cannot get, but you have to try many times putting the words in different positions. Next one. Next, the fourth one. Want to they cricket play? Want to they cricket play? Does it make any sense? No. So now try to write. Yes. They play. They want to play cricket. Want to they cricket play? They want to play cricket. That is the correct answer. So again, T capital letter and full stop. There are no, if there are any nouns, name, proper noun, you have to write a capital letter. But there are no proper nouns till now. We didn't get any proper nouns. So no capital letter. Okay, now next one. Brother a dancer, my is. What is brother a dancer, my is? Brother a dancer, my is? No. My brother is a dancer. My brother, not mother, I think. Okay. Brother, my brother a dancer is my brother. Yes, it is brother a dancer is my. So, my brother is a dancer is the correct answer. Again, M capital letter and with a full stop. Next one. What is the next one? He is a great he a person is. Great he a person is. So, this one is very easy. Great he a person is means a bit it is okay, but he is a great person is the correct answer. You cannot say great he is a person. So you have to write he is a great person. That is the correct answer. Again H capital letter with a full stop. Next one, last one. What is the last one? Is a dog it cute? Is a dog it cute is not a correct sentence. What is the correct sentence? It is a cute dog. It is a cute dog. It is a cute dog. I capital letter, again full stop. And here, when you are writing cricket, you can write capital letter C, children. So that are the answers. The bag is under the table. I like to drink milk. My dad goes to work at 9 o'clock. They want to play cricket. My brother is a dancer. He is a great person. It is a cute dog. These are the answers for this